Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a performance upgrade on our Ram 1500. So this is a 2014. It has the 5.7 Hemi in there. So of course at this point we have our stock air intake. We are going to be putting in a colder intake by Flashark Racing. So this kit comes with everything you need. So of course we do have our heat shield over here, which will go in place of your original intake, as well as our rubber on the top, so you do not get any of that warm air back from the engine. Here is our reusable washable air filters, like overall really high quality. And we do get all of our connections that we need, as well as all of the clamps you need. So how this works is we are going to install this one that comes like this on your air filter. So it's gonna go in here, and then on the other side I'm gonna put this on, tighten the clamp on, so it's like this. And then we have the smaller one. This is going to actually go on your intake manifold section that goes all the way to your throttle body. So we're gonna attach this over here, and we're gonna attach a clamp on this side. Once again, all of the clamps are included, and the one clamp on the other side. Okay, so I have the hood popped open. What we're gonna first start off with is you're gonna remove this has flow air sensor right over here. We're gonna remove this. Here we do have a clamp over here, and you can simply just use a flathead screwdriver to get that off. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this, remove that over there, and we just have two clamps. We're gonna get this open. The bottom part is gonna still stay there. The new one is just gonna go in there. So here he goes. We simply just twist this sensor to have this removed over here. That's what we did. And now we're gonna remove that clamp over there. That's on the other side there. Once we remove that, we just simply have two clips. We're gonna get this whole top cover off, get our filter in there, and our new is gonna actually fit right in these clamps over here. So we still do get the factory bottom cover. Okay, so you really don't have to remove this if you just do that properly over there. I removed that hose over there. It's just simply on there. It has no clamps. We do have four clips, one on each side to over here. Once we remove those, we can simply just lift this entire thing up like this. Okay, so our old intake cover and our filter comes out. We're simply just gonna put this in. And the other thing is, if you really don't know, is that these actually do improve your gas mileage as well. Not only performance, but also the gas mileage that you do get compared to your stock one. So how this works is we do have these cutouts over here. These are gonna actually fit in here. Okay guys, so we have it all installed. Our cold air intake is right over here. The seal is there, so we don't actually suck in the warm air from the engine. And the other thing I did notice was that some people are actually installing it wrong. They're not using their factory lower cover mount, which actually goes and sucks in those fresh cold air. So if you don't use that, you're basically reducing performance, because you just have a warm air intake. You're not actually getting that fresh cooler air from the outside of the engine bay. So you do need to use that, have it hooked up, just a few clamps and all there, and then we're gonna use this one that we did. So there's a few ways you can use this. I did the easier option. We didn't really cut off our line in the back. We simply just cut it over here, turned it, put on a clamp, and then we're good to go. Once again, really good quality compared to other cold air intakes, and then also way cheaper than those higher end ones like the K&N and then injection and stuff like that. So way cheaper than those. I will also be posting a different video once I test it, but currently we are getting a better fuel economy with this, and then also, of course, better performance. If you do have it hooked up right, it should give you like around enough a 15% increase in torque. And then I will also like to mention the Flashark oil catch can as well. I've also made a separate video on this. Go check that out, and I will also leave the link down below for both of these items.